high speed, braking. Good day all my dear friends, I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Let's unbox one tractor from CROSSRC 1:8 scale and iron bore. Let's see. Now radio pull battery power on. Then this front cover holding press to unlock, then can lift up. That's the locking hook. Then front can lift up. That's the LED wire connection. We can leave it here. So can connect the 2S battery, XT60 connection here. After connect, that's the light or this control from here. We cover it back. Front hook up here. Align it. Let's turn around. Rear side we got the power switch. Power switch 1, 2, or switching to right side power on. Then we have the control. Steering, try, yeah, it's working. Have signal and LED lights. 1, 2, also rear side. Turn around, let's see. Red lights, flashing, changing again. Always on. Turn around, let's see. Front lights, how it's flashing. Circulating. Also, mudguard have LED lights. Now let's keep it always on and start driving. 2-speed gearbox with metal chassis with 2 differential lock for front axle, rear axle. Metal hubs, outside cover, the silver one you see is plastic. Inside the hubs, axle, chassis is all metal. Drive, first time brake, second time reverse. Let's see the details of the material and the chassis, size and weight. So this mudguard is a nylon secured to the front axle. That's 4 screws, left and right each 2, securing mudguard with LED. Plastic cabin, and for the hubs, outside protection, it is plastic. Inside hubs, they are all metal one. Side protection or nylon. This also from here we see the side plates of the main body. It's all nylon. Rear side, turn around. This is plastic here, and here we have the top cover, rear side cover. That's nylon, and this hook synthetic alloy. From here you will see that's the red metal hub. Inside that's the synthetic alloy axle shells housing. Now we turn around forward axle, turn it, you will see the hub. And here the connecting bar, all steel one with nylon connection for flexibility. That's the CNC alloy connection. Still see the drive shaft inside the steel one. Slowly turning, check it. Turn around. Okay, we got all this front bumper connection. It's all CNC alloy. This middle bottom plate, see the thickness, CNC alloy. Secure inside parts with all these big bolts. And here, this side cover here, bottom, is also CNC alloy. From top, here, this one part here, CNC alloy. Then from this line, upper part, that's nylon connection. Then plastic cabin. Here, that's the steering axle connections, how it's turning. Thick metal hubs here with big screws for holding. It's very tough one. For high torque driven tooling, for sure no problem. With these tires, a little bit hard and strong one with all these thick tools here. It's very powerful grabbing the ground or motherland. Now let's lock it. Rear axle locked. All power going. 4x4, let's see. And let's check in the speed. I will unlock it. Backward. Driven. Now it is at low speed. Speed up. That's full ahead for low speed. Full backward, low speed. Full ahead, low speed. Shifting to high speed, full ahead. Oh, very powerful. Backward, full back. Full ahead, high speed. Braking. Again, let's check the brake. The size, front tire left to right around 27. Cabin height around 36. 36.5. But middle, you will see here, is more taller. So around 37. So rear tire to front, you see it's around 53. Rear tire wide around 30.5 cm. And let's see the clearance to the ground. So here, that's the most lower position because the bottom chassis is a flat plate. So let's see how much is the clearance. Around 6.5 centimeter ground clearance. Let's see the net weight. Around 13.6 kg. So rear axle, it is fixed to the chassis, no rolling. Front axle can rolling left and right. Let's see the angle. Rising completely and rising left completely. That's how it's moving. Thank you for watching this 1:8 scale iron bore TL4 tractor, and I already got the snow blade at the front. Next video I will show you. See you.